this is how she's going to look before I season it. I won't season it until tomorrow when I'm at my own place. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It ain't perfect. But I think for all intents and purposes and for the practicality of, or functionality of the piece of cookware here, I'm not really worried about these little machine marks. You can't even feel them rubbing my fingernail over it. I can see it, but after I get seasoning built up on this thing over the years, that you won't even see that anymore. I'd be really interested to see how fine some of these $200 handmade skillets are before they're seasoned, and how they get them. I don't know, however perfect they get them, because as far as I can tell, anytime you're doing casting, whether it's cast iron or aluminum, you're going to have pits like that. My brother had a Harley Davidson Softail Deuce 2003, and he spent hours upon hours, maybe even collectively more than a day or two, sanding the rear wheel on that thing in order to polish it to look like chrome. And every time as he was sanding it, the more material he exposed, the more pits he found. And he kept trying to grind away until he got rid of all those pits, but at the end of the day he had to realize that he's never going to get rid of all those pits. So that's even on a cast aluminum Harley Davidson wheel. You're not going to have a perfect casting, so what more would I expect from a ancient cast iron skillet, right? So I'm going to do some more sanding and grinding on the handle. I filed away at the inside here because it was quite sharp as it was cast. It was, never treated, never sanded or ground from the factory. And I ground it a little bit using a file, but I'd like to do some more, and I'd like to bring this up to a higher luster, and I'll just use sandpaper for that, but that is not that big of a deal. Of course, I'll take care of the bottom of it too. But yeah, I like how it turned out, and I'm abundantly confident it'll be a very functional skillet. So thank you all for watching, and yeah, this was my first ever YouTube production or contribution to the YouTube realm. It's been fun, and there should be a lot more videos to come as I get used to the whole process of shooting videos and uploading videos, and hopefully figuring out better equipment and a tripod and whatnot, so I can take a video and leave my phone or whatever I'm using as a camera staged somewhere so I can use both hands and show you some work in real time. So we'll see where we go from here. Take care, and thanks again for watching.